it's Hannah with WTI. A pair of shoes can make or break an outfit, and these heels by Modatope totally made my outfit. My husband and I just had our 17th anniversary, and we went on a cruise. On our anniversary, the cruise, that was their elegant dinner night, so we got dressed up, but I just brought a regular maxi dress, and these shoes took what is just a regular dress and made it look really elegant and fancy. It was so nice to be able to walk along the deck. These were really comfortable for how high of a heel it is and for being strappy sandals. I love how the straps are really small, and there's just the 3 straps that go over your foot, the toes, the front of your ankle, and the back of your heel, because I feel like it just makes the shoe look really dainty and really feminine. I wear a 7.5. That's what these are, and they are very true to size. There's a little bit of elastic on the strap that goes around the top of your foot, and then a buckle on the one that goes around the back, so you do have a little bit of give and take to make them looser or tighter depending on what you need. The patent leather, I think, is really just a classic look. Every girl needs a pair of strappy black heel sandals in their wardrobe. So if you're on the hunt for some really pretty, elegant shoes, these are perfect. You will love them. You will look amazing. And that is my point of view.